Hi, this is Christine Crowell and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I really want to talk to you about, we're on day 4 of the AI automation challenge, and I really wanted to reach out to you just to go through a few things with you. Although I will be going live tonight, this is a video that's going out this afternoon, and the link for you to join the evening live tonight is going to be at 7 p.m. UK time, and I would love if you'd be able to join me. And I also want to say thank you to all of you that have subscribed to the channel. Today, I really want you to think about what is your roadmap for your healthcare business. Do you have a structured guide to implement AI automation tools into your operations? By following these steps, you can automate daily tasks, save time, cut costs, and focus on delivering quality care. And I really wanted to go through the days that I've been doing this from Friday, for example, from day 1. So day 1, we've mentioned things like voice AI, client communication. I've introduced to you as well about Twilio, Google Dialog Flow, for example. I've also spoken about setting up your voice AI, and also for you to book a demo with the organizations as well, so that you can see it for yourself. It will help you to create a automated workflow to handle common client requests. And I've showed you how the difference is when we are scheduling appointments ourselves, and how much faster it can be with using voice or SMS, for example, as well as the scheduler as well. It just automates everything for us. So I want you to test this out for yourself. I really want you to be able to see how it works by you booking an appointment with the organizations, but also join me, because we do have our boot camp for our AI boot camp, the first of its ever kind in healthcare business, that's going to help you see what is best for your organization, because we are now specializing in AI automation in your business so that we can streamline your business and save you thousands of pounds or dollars a year, for example, by implementing automation in your business. Now, it will save you hours. The benefits are it will save you hours. It will reduce missed calls and appointment no-shows. It will also, the on-call facility can be responded 24/7. That way the person that does have the on-call doesn't necessarily have to be stressed trying to figure out who's going to cover what. The AI will do it for you, for example. So try and make it easier on your staff members as well. And this is the reason why I'm speaking about this. I also spoke about automating scheduling, streamlining your staff scheduling, and reducing conflict with AI tools. Nothing worse than two people showing up at the same time with a client that only needs one carer. One of those carers is going to have to leave, and that means you're going to have to pay something for wasting their time. They're not going to want to spend their petrol, for example, to go all the way over there to be told that, I don't need you, for example. So think about selecting scheduling tools. And these are some key steps that you need to think about as a care provider. I mentioned about Shift Care and Deputy because I know them to have the AI tools in them as well. And it will also have the shift swapping, compliance tracking, time off requests. It does everything that I can see, having my experience, that is going to really help you in your healthcare business. It will also automate your schedules for you. It will create reoccurring schedules for staff. It will send out automatic reminders and ensure them of attendance so they don't say, oh, I forgot, I didn't realize, I didn't look, I thought I had the day off, for example. Integrate with your payroll as well. So it connects scheduling tools to payroll systems for seamless payment processing as well. And the benefits of this is that it ensures shift coverage and compliance as well. Now imagine increasing staff satisfaction with transparent schedules as well. Furthering on down this roadmap, we discussed about, on day 3, we discussed about AI, invoicing, financial insights, for example, and the goal really is to automate your invoicing processes, payment tracking, and financial reporting to improve your cash flow. And I spoke about some key steps, which is whether you choose the following: QuickBooks, Zoho Invoice, FreshBooks, etc., features automated invoices, payment reminders, and expense categorization as well. So you're able to set up recurring invoices. You can configure recurring billing for regular clients, for example, and you can also automate late payment and reduce delays. So it can also help you to monitor your financial matrix, which is so important in your business. Use AI insights for cash flow and forecasting expense tracking. The benefits are that it saves hours on manual invoicing, it reduces payment delays and errors, and it provides real-time financial insights for better decision making. Now imagine that you saved yourself again another 20 to 30,000 a year. And I've explained the cost of these things per month versus what the cost is for the particular staff member that would operate it and doing it the manual way, for example. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can look at the key steps to assessing your business needs. Now, you want to ensure that you have developed a tailored AI strategy for your healthcare business, and that is by you assessing your business needs. Identify those time-consuming tasks and bottlenecks in operations. I've mentioned them to you. It could be timesheets. It could be invoicing not going out on time. It could be invoices that are errors, that is going to not be paid because there's an error, but they're not going to tell you that there's an error. And some of them will, but some are so busy, the client that you sent it to, that they haven't really noticed. And then when it comes time to pay, then it's like, oh, this isn't right. So then there's an issue. You've got a delay, for example. Then you've got to redo that invoice. So use platforms like Zapier to connect your tools for seamless workflows. I showed you some examples of scheduled triggers, automated invoices, which is absolutely amazing and great for your business as well. And you can train your team. You can provide training to ensure the smooth adaptation of AI tools. Now, we can do that for you, for example, so that they know and it's being used correctly as well. So you'll be able to measure success. You'll be able to track your matrix like real time, and it will save you money. It will reduce errors, and also it's cost savings for you that you're able to put into a bank account, which could be used for a crisis fund or any challenges or any unexpected expenses, for example. So the benefits of AI automation in your business is that it ensures smooth implementation, for example, of the AI tools. And we would do that with you, for example, and show you. It also will optimize your ROI by focusing on the impactful areas. Now, what is it that you're paying out for that you don't need to be paying out for? you could have AI do this for you. It will help you to build a scalable system to grow your business. And, I can't really say any better than that, because it is something that you've got to think about in 2025. We've got the inflation here. We've got to think of how we can navigate through the inflation. And this is the way that I see is the perfect solution to navigate away from the inflation. You can beat the inflation by you implementing AI into your organization. Now, what I'd love to give you is a free gift. It's called the AI implementation checklist. I would love for you to book an appointment so that we can discuss this online and we can discuss your AI automation strategy. And you'll receive one, for example, a detailed checklist to guide you through selecting and implementing the AI tools that you need. But also, when you're wanting another meeting, we can discuss it again, what tools that you feel that you need after you're going through the checklist properly. And then I can show you how it can be implemented in your business and what the savings is going to be in your business versus having a particular staff member do it, for example. I'm going to be providing you with exclusive tips to maximize efficiency and also cut costs in your business. So book a free appointment now. It will be online with me and it will be via Zoom, up to 30 minutes. If it takes longer, it takes longer. That's not a problem because I want to get it right for you. So why choose AI for your healthcare business? Well, one of the benefits, like I said, it's time saving. It can automate repetitive tasks to focus on quality care, for you to focus on the quality care for your clients. Cost reductions, replaces manual processes with affordable AI solutions. Scalability, it can grow your business without increasing administrative overheads. How amazing is that? Improve accuracy, it reduces errors in scheduling, invoicing, and client communication. So let's build the future of AI together in your business, for example. And this is something that I think is really, really important, that we really do look at implementing these types of AI tools into the business so that you can look at increasing your revenue within your business so that you're going to grow without it impacting your finances. You get what I'm saying? So you've got something that can really take you to the next level in your healthcare business. And I think it's such a wonderful thing that you're able to have, is to grow your healthcare business through AI. Imagine saving 30,000, 50,000, 70,000, 100,000 a year, depending on the size of your organization, of course. But can you imagine that savings, what it can do for your business? Just of implementing AI into your business, it can do that for you. So click the link here. It's somewhere in the description. I'd love to hear from you. You'll claim your free gift as well. Once we've gone through things, I'll be typing up the checklist with you so we can go through it together. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I'm going to be going live tonight at 7 p.m. UK time. Hope to see you there. Do like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I look forward to speaking with you later on today. So have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you. Goodbye.